In the high-stakes world of pharmaceuticals, precision and security are non-negotiable. Our revolutionary logistics software delivers real-time visibility, ensures stringent compliance, and fortifies security. Discover how CoalSpark Solutions can transform your supply chain today. Hi, I'm Dan, the lead engineer here at CoalSpark Solutions. Thank you for taking the time to join me today. Here at CoalSpark, we specialize in artificial intelligence, business process automation, and cybersecurity. Today, I'll be taking you through one of our MVPs or solutions that we developed for pharmaceutical logistics. Let's get started. So what we have here is a traditional pharmaceutical logistics network where we have production sites, depots, and customers. All of these have costs associated. We have the transportation cost and time associated with the connections themselves going between the production sites and the depots. And then we have the customers on the far right that are stored as states that we don't want to go below a certain point as far as product. The problem statement could best be summarized in what we thought you would want as the logistics professional: regulatory compliance, predictable pricing, analysis to scale or cut in the right direction, and integration capabilities with artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Overall, we are trying to solve a problem of simulating the logistics network with our configurable policy or company requirements through the configurable policy. The system overview. What you can see here is that we have simulated data for production, depots, and patient information. So this could be CSVs, Excel, database connections that feed a state of nodes and connections where it's really a data structure behind the scenes. And in the production site for Australia, there's a node, and that's where you have your time to produce and cost associated. And the connections are the time to ship and the cost associated with that as well. That's then fed into production order, inference engine, and depot shipment inference engine. And what that does is that it takes the total number of days that you want to run the simulation and your updated company policy, and it does all of the actions for those days, failures, and final state of the network after it's finished. So why do you want to do this? What's the significance of it? Well, here you can see that we potentially want to optimize to see how low we can get the depots and how low the patients can get to where we don't have any failures within the next 30 days. And for this scenario, when we ran the simulation, the lowest that we could get for patients is no lower than 40% product and no lower than 10% product at the depots. So once the simulation is done, you can see that all the necessary orders were completed in the first 6 days. The only production order was completed that first day, and the price associated, the shipment from the depots to the customers were completed on the 4th and the 6th day. And then along the y-axis, you can see the cost. Thank you again for your time. And if you have any questions, please feel free to schedule a demo or reach out to the team.